ain't about fame, it ain't about fake friends. The screw your ex is such a flake. Forget your grades, you need a break. You, it's all about you, no matter what the other.
What's up, world of YouTube? It's Josh with How It Works again. I'm using my gimbal for the first time, which is why my videos are so smooth now. But today we are going to be removing / debadging the 2022 Subaru WRX. If you have a different vehicle, the same rules apply. Should be easy. Here we go. The tools you'll need for this are super simple. Get yourself something to heat the emblems up. This is my wife's blow dryer. Rubber decal remover for your drill, pry tool, tape. One layer, I'm gonna put a bunch, and I'm gonna put it right underneath the logo where I'm gonna be prying from. Last thing I wanna do is dent or scratch. I'm gonna put about 5 or 6 layers on. So I'm gonna show you the reason for this is because the pry tool is going to just go right underneath, and then you're gonna get underneath the letters and pry from there once they're hot. I'm gonna put 1 or 2 of them just around the edges. Then we're gonna heat it up. If you are planning on, if you've purchased like the black emblems for the back of your car, this would be how you do it. You would want to have a reference point, right? So you're going to tape out like the lower line and maybe like the diagonal of the W. And then that way when you've removed this, you know exactly where to place the other logos. Okay, let's try and pry these off. It's nice and warm. There we go. For me, I'm not going to be sticking something back on here, so I'm gonna remove the tape now. This is where the rubber eraser wheel comes in. You never want to stay in one area too long because you don't want to heat the paint up too much. So if one spot is more stubborn than the other, just move on to something else and then come back to that. All in all, this took me maybe 5 to 10 minutes, but it does create a lot of the kind of the dust that comes off of that rubber wheel. So I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna just use my leaf blower and blow all that off. Here's what I recommend you do with these emblems. I'm gonna grab all of them. I'm gonna take them over this way. Yep. Check out what else came in the mail. Now we'll do some B-roll.